Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Did you know that I have got 2 YouTube channels? Not one, but I have got 2, and both of them have got Christmas playlists. Well, you can click that little link up in the top right hand corner or find the link in the description box below. Let's see what we got. This is on the Shoo Rayner drawing channel. This one playlist has got my Draw Stuff Real Easy stuff on as well. So we got how to draw a snowman, how to gingerbread man, Santa Claus, Christmas pudding, beautiful holly wreath, Santa's reindeer, poinsettia, fancy Christmas stocking, beautiful snowflakes, Christmas video, Christmas wreath, mistletoe for Christmas, poinsettia, a Christmas staff, Santa's sleigh, a Christmas reindeer, roast turkey, how to draw Santa's sleigh fast. I designed a Christmas tree, happy holidays and candy cane lettering, Christmas robin, draw snowman, draw Christmas presents, draw ivy, Christmas holly, draw snow-covered lettering, Christmas angels, draw Christmas tree, draw stars, snowflake, learn to draw fir tree, draw Santa, draw gingerbread house, draw deer, how to draw an igloo, draw Christmas elf, skating penguin, mince pie, how to draw a Christmas tree, how to draw reindeer, how to draw nutcracker soldier, draw Christmas Yule log, or a bûche de Noël, a cool Christmas lantern, how to draw Santa and his sleigh. So go on, click up here. Can you see that little button up at the top? Click that, follow the link, or follow the link in the description box below and go and choose which Christmas video you would like to do a drawing from. Don't hesitate, do it now. And don't forget, down here at the bottom, you've got that little subscribe button. Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoo Rayner drawing channel for lots more drawing videos. And also go over, look, click up here, I'll put another link. Go over to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel and make sure that you are subscribed to that. In the meantime, have a very, very happy Christmas. Keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.